Mr. Smith, the new English teacher, walked into the classroom with a warm smile. The students looked up eagerly, ready for their first English lesson. "Good morning, class," Mr. Smith said cheerfully.
"Good morning, Mr. Smith," the students replied in unison.
"Today, we're going to learn how to greet people and introduce ourselves in English," Mr. Smith announced. He then wrote some phrases on the board. "Let's start with greetings. Here are some common ones," he said, pointing to the board. "Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye."
Mr. Smith turned to the class and said, "Now, let's practice these.
I'll say a greeting, and you respond. Ready?" He said, "Hello." The students replied, "Hello." "Great.
Now, let's move on to introductions," Mr. Smith continued.
He wrote some phrases on the board. "What's your name?" "My name is," "Your name?" "Nice to meet you." Mr. Smith explained, when you meet someone new, you can use these phrases. Let's practice.
"I'll pretend to be a new student, and you introduce yourself to me."
He approached a student named Sarah. "Hi. My name is Mr. Smith. What's your name?" Sarah smiled and replied, "Hi, Mr. Smith. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you." "Nice to meet you too, Sarah," Mr. Smith said.
Now, let's practice asking and answering some questions.
He wrote on the board, "How are you?" "I'm fine, thank you." "I'm good." "Where are you from?"
"I'm from country."
Mr. Smith demonstrated, "How are you?" One of the students, Tom, answered, "I'm good, thank you." "Excellent, Tom," Mr. Smith said.
Now, let's practice asking about where we're from. He turned to another student, Emily.
"Where are you from, Emily?" Emily replied, "I'm from Canada." "Perfect,"
Mr. Smith said with a smile. Now, let's all practice these phrases with our partners.
Remember to greet each other, introduce yourselves, and ask these questions.
The classroom buzzed with activity as the students practiced their new English skills.
Mr. Smith watched with satisfaction, happy to see his students engaging in learning.
By the end of the lesson, everyone felt more confident in their English greetings and introductions. Mr. Smith wrapped up the lesson with a final smile. "Great job today, everyone."